Nooresh has very little to worry. He's working from home, so it doesn't matter whether it's rain or whether it is a shower. It's okay. Office, घर पे ही है, right, Nooresh?
I have an office 3-4 minutes away from home, so
So
do get a
office
little
or
bit.
from home? Where are you joining us?
From office only, it's
And those 3-4 minutes took what? 30 minutes today?
No, I just have to walk that much.
Okay. Kunal, you've reached office dry.
No, in fact, fortunately, I got a very good Uber driver today because he took me by the coastal road. It took me 12 minutes only, even in this kind of a rain.
Why didn't you take it before?
No, I was not aware that it comes via this route, so I think I was lucky.
Yeah, it's a new route. In fact, yesterday evening when I was going for the TCS, also took the coastal route. It was not a breeze, but it was a
But
better
smoother
experience.
than
It was a
the
better
usual.
experience, and it
Yeah.
was not leaking.
Yeah.
Paranoid Nikunj. But what about the market, Kunal? Is it as smooth?
Yeah, I think we're still into a smooth territory for the indices. Nothing to worry about in terms of the trend, I think, except for that hiccup which we had 2 days back for the index, and we've managed to sail up quite well for the Nifty. So it was more of a individual sector-specific weakness on the Bank Nifty, which I think caused some bit of nervousness in the markets. But I think net when we look at this in the last 2 months of price action from the June 4th lows for the indices towards the point where we've migrated on the upside, almost higher by 2,000 plus points for the Nifty, and then 53,000 plus for the Bank Nifty. So I think in that aspect we are just consolidating for both the indices. Yesterday was more of an action towards the market breadth because the mid caps and the small caps were doing exceptionally well. So there are specific pockets of stock sectors where the traders are happy participating even if there are some kind of dips. Now some of them could be the railway stocks, defense names, etc., where there is definite amount of buying which we are seeing. So I think it's more of sector specific, stock specific market, and I think that aspect we are expecting the indices to just about consolidate. My only concern is that in the previous 4-5 instances on the budget, the India VIX has always risen from to an average of 16 to 18 broadly. So I think if we see that rise in the India VIX in the next couple of weeks, we might see the index a lot more volatile, but still more or less into a broad range.
Nooresh, what about you? How are you approaching the market right now?
So the trend is very clear. We are still in an uptrend. We've not broken down any major 3-4 day lows. If we start breaking that, that's the time we take a change of view. So 24,100, 150 is a price point for the Nifty. And if that breaks, then maybe we take a fresh view. Yesterday, the good part was the breadth was okay. And what we've started seeing is even yesterday night in US markets, the breadth improved for the first time after a long time. So the FANG index was down 3.5%, but the Russell 2000 was up 3.5%. So what we are seeing is broader market getting better. So focus more on stocks rather than on the index. And once we break 24,150, that's the time we take a caution call.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.